Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So let us start with the post-market analysis. Uh, this is this thing I'm doing because there might be new viewers who are watching my video for the first time, so that they get to learn. And second thing is to follow the practice of reviewing the day whatever you have traded, so that you get to know what mistakes you are done and what that should be avoided the next day and going on, and carry forward the practice of good trades that we have taken. Okay, so yesterday in my video I had clearly uh, told you that if you watch this video or if you watch this post on TradingView, I had clearly mentioned sell on rise near resistance level if market opens gap up near resistance level 38,200. And if you know me, or you, by the time, if you are following me, you might have got to know from these arrows that w- what does it indicate. So I haven't shown any arrow to buy at this particular zone. The strategy was if market opens gap up, then sell on rise. Okay, and next thing was buy on dips near support level if market opens gap down. Okay, it was gap down near this support level, and for the safe traders, buy above the trend line at this particular level. Okay, and sell below the trend line, and for selling when it crosses this particular trend line. So let us see how market behaved. Also, I had mentioned that this is the strong resistance level 38,200, and this is the strong resistance zone that market has created after a sharp fall. Okay, so where is the start of the day? Okay, so we saw a market opening gap up, but straight it came down, and it tried to bounce back, but it faced the resistance near this particular levels, 38,200 level. Okay, it came down to the support zone. Now, one thing from learning point of view, you need to understand that I have been telling multiple times that when a particular support or resistance is tested more than two times, okay, more than basic criteria is two times, from the third time onwards there are more possibility of that level to be broken. Okay, so if we see this good support zone which was marked, it was tested first, second, it was tested for first, second, and third time when market came here. And during an expiry, one more experience I would like to share. Whenever we have a good support or resistance zone, okay, whenever market is approaching a good support or resistance zone, such good or a good support or resistance zone is not broken at the first time itself. Okay, so market would definitely come second time if it does not reverses, and when it comes second time, then it breaks this whatever the support or resistance zone. I'm sorry. So this is what we got to see. Market faced a heavy resistance at 38,000 level. Okay, it started acting as a resistance when it came down from this particular level, and it also broke the support zone which was over here. Then market took the support from 37,600 levels and bounced back. Okay, so this was it regarding the uh, post market analysis. Let us also see why market bounced back from this particular level itself, and why not it went beyond or beyond this level 37,600. I would show you that as well. Okay, so before I forget, I would reduce down this. Just look at this level and the previous thing. So whenever, if you are a price action trader, whatever the swings market creates, these swings acts as a support and resistance level for next trading. Okay, so same thing we saw that this was the swing low when market was uh, moving in the upward direction. Similarly, when market tried to bounce back at this particular level, you can identify this was the zone. Okay, Just look at this zone. This was the zone from where market retraced down. So I hope you are trying to get what I'm trying to say and learn from the things. I always try to keep simple. Now let us look at the intraday levels. Before that, let us go to the day view analysis and see what do we have. Okay, before that I have something to show, that is FIDI data. So for the 20th Jan, we can clearly see a huge selling was done. You can see in crores. Okay, huge selling was done, and DIs have uh, bought a good amount of data, what we can say. Even they have sold a huge amount of data or huge amount of shares, and we don't get the FNO data till 19th. Data is only available. Otherwise, if you see the cash data both on NSE and money control side, the data is same. Okay, almost minus 4,679 crores. We can see the figures on selling side. Okay, so if you look at the Dow Jones, I had drawn a trend line where Dow Jones, after making a second high or breaking the first all-time high, it tanked down. Okay, this was the support level, and today we can see Dow Jones is recovering good at good levels as well. So might be we can see some recovery tomorrow, even after the downfall. And one thing, if you remember yesterday, while showing this retracement using fib retracement, I had clearly stated that we would see a red candle tomorrow and market may tank to this particular level, 37,700 levels as well. Okay, so was a must, or this is the this is how the market moves. When it gets a bull run, it would retrace and then bounce back. So what would happen in the long term? Okay, so what I'm thinking, if market has to continue its bull run, it would a doji kind of candle may be formed, might be in red or green color, any color, but there would be one more day, might be tomorrow, and from then we can see market reversal for the higher levels. If not, then market would come down to at least this 50.5 or this level, but this is not sure. Let us see what happens tomorrow, and then we can predict what would be the next. So tomorrow still I am expecting this kind of similar candle forming at this particular levels. Might market may come down in the first half and then bounce back as well. So this is from the day view point. Now let us go and see the intraday levels. So you can see I have drawn a channel pattern where market, we can clearly see, is trading between this particular channel. So either side of the channel, market can take a break. Most probably it may come inside again, take the support and bounce back, is what I feel. So how to take the trade based on market opening? Same thing, same strategy to follow still, as this is the second last expiry. 27th is the last expiry of the month. Still, the writers have carried their position, and we can see 38,000 level. Strong writing positions are created. This is the good or strong resistance zone. Okay, so do not buy immediately if market opens. Uh, let it face the resistance. If it start coming down, then you can enter into the sell side or put side, trade buying of a put. And when market reaches this particular level, and if it shows the sign of a bullish engulfing or any other bullish candlestick pattern, you can enter into the trade. So if market opens flat, I'm into say uh, between 37,900 to 800, then do not enter into a trade. Later, let it show its move and then take the trade. And finally, if it gap downs, so gap downs below this particular level, 37,750 level, okay, then we can see market can come down to this particular levels, 600 levels, it may try to bounce back. But then what would happen? The writers would create one more strong level of resistance at this particular level. So next resistance level would be around 37,900 you can take. So this swing lows level would act as a resistance level if market opens gap down. So this is regarding how to take the trade based on market openings and the levels. I hope you like my analysis. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.